All right, so let's learn how to do metrics, a little bit of practice so you can watch me do it. Let me move some of this stuff around. I'm going to get rid of that, move this up a bit. All right, so from what we learned, we need to know the prefixes. Kilo, hecto, deca. That's where the base unit goes, like liters, meters, seconds, anything that's a single letter, kind of like this L here, this M here, the G for grams, liters, meters, then deci, centi, and milli. All right, so in this first question right here, we're going from kilometers to the base unit meters. And again, I know it's the base unit and not milli over here, because if it was milli, it would look like that. Millimeter. This is just meter. So I'm going from km to the base unit, which would fit in our circle, m. I told you a way to remember this. Kids have dropped over dead converting metrics. They say a little morbid, but maybe it'll help you remember it. All right, so anyway, so we're going from kilometer to meter. We go 1, 2, 3 places to the right. Here's our decimal point. So 1, 2, 3 places to the right. So we get, as a final answer, 8.00 meters. The next one, we're going from milli to hecto. Milli to hecto. So this time we're going to move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spaces left. Now there's no decimal point written here, so we understand the decimal points here. And remember, that space right there is there because of the metric system does not want to put commas in a problem, because in some language that's a decimal point. So that space there tells us we have 25,000. Where we would normally put a comma, we put a space. And we're going to move the decimal point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the left. Puts the decimal point in front of the 2. I never just put the decimal point, I always put a 0 in front, so 0.25 hectometers. Remember to include the unit. Next one. Milligram to centigram. Milligram to centigram. So we're just moving one space left, 6.54 centigrams. We're going to learn to deal with these zeros when we do significant digits. Liters to kiloliters. So liters would be the base unit. Kiloliters, 1, 2, 3, left. Again, no decimal point written. It's understood to be after the number. 1, 2, 3 to the left. So we get 3.2 kiloliters. Remember to include the units. We never want to leave naked numbers. 2 more. Kilogram to milligram. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spaces to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. We don't have any more numbers, so we have to add zeros. 6 spaces to the right. Milligrams. See, I started out here. I ended at the 8 with 1, 2, 3, 4. So I needed 5, 6. I had to add zeros. And again, the units are milligrams. Last one. Grams to centigrams. Grams is the base unit. Centigrams, so 1, 2 to the right. 1, 2 to the right makes it 175 centigrams. So there's metrics from kilo down to milli. Now we did learn some other prefixes, and I will do that one in the next video.